This is me, Volexx, aka Jacinta, back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to know how to. Can you please stop the ringer? I'm trying to film an intro here. Yes. So today we are going to stop. Okay. So I just kicked off the person with the ringer. Then I can shoot my intro. So welcome back, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's jump in.
Firstly, take a sharpened pencil and a clean eraser, and here we are going to learn how to doodle. You can draw any random shapes like circles, triangles, or squares and make it into any character. You can add some frizzy furs, some eyes, and nose and mouth, and it will turn into a character. And it's up to you how creative or how innovative you want to be or you can be. Here I have added more than two eyes to turn it into a monster, a very cute monster, or also you can call it an alien. With the triangle I have given only one eye, gave it a little bit of formal look with the suits and three fringes of hair. And with the square I've made it like a grumpy kind of monster. Basically with the shapes I've made characters. You can also add some random things like the coconut tree, a tortoise, a shoe, a radio, or whatever. You can see your surroundings, whatever random things you find, your phone, Snickers, chairs, buildings, burgers, fries, anything to eat, any living thing. Or if you would like to add some magical things like mushrooms or mushroom houses, any random things like pencils, erasers, bottles. Now let's do a full page doodle. You can also get inspiration from many games like Minecraft, Roblox, Fortnite, and Among Us. And there are many to the characters. You can also add the characters in the video. Not only games, but you can also get inspiration from our favorite cartoon characters, be it Tom and Jerry, be it SpongeBob, be it any other cartoon characters. You can add any of them in your doodles.
Top like this, make it pop like this, make it not like this, make it drop.
guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please like, share and comment. It would be of great help. And I love you guys.